In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn interest and borrow with the DeFi platform Aave. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Aave is a DeFi lending protocol that enables users to lend and borrow a diverse range of cryptocurrencies. And this may sound similar in terms of the lending and borrowing to the likes of compound finance, which I've already covered. However, where Aave differs from other lending platforms is that it offers both stable and variable interest rates for lending. Plus, it features uncollateralized loans or flash loans, which I'm going to come to later. So who are Aave? Well, Aave originally launched as ETHLend, a lending platform that was founded in 2017 and then rebranded to Aave in September 2018. And the name itself is Finnish, translates to ghost in English. And ghost represents Aave's focus of creating a transparent and open infrastructure for decentralized finance. And Aave also have their own native token, Lend, which was originally used with ETHLend to provide users with benefits such as reduced fees and improved loan-to-value ratios. However, since ETHLend was replaced by Aave, the Lend token took on new use cases, such as platform governance. Similar to the likes of Compound Finance's Comp token, Lend holders are able to vote on proposals made by the development team, as well as things like interest rates, liquidation configurations, and new assets. And Coinbase have also recently announced that they are exploring the support of Aave on their platform. And because Aave is decentralized, ID verification or KYC is not required either, so that anyone can start lending or borrowing. So let's take a look into lending and borrowing with Aave now. So first up on the screen, you can view the different markets, and you can choose from Aave Market, Uniswap Market, or Set Market, which is going to be coming soon. And that Uniswap market is the second market of Aave's protocol. Now at the moment we're looking at the Aave market, which is shown in the top right hand side of the screen. And as you can see, there's a diverse range of assets that you can lend or borrow on the platform. And you have the likes of DAI, Binance USD, Basic Attention Tokens, Maker and 0x. And it shows the market size, it shows the amount borrowed, the deposit APYs, plus the 30-day average under here as well, which is pretty handy to see. Then you'll see the variable and the stable rate for borrowing. Now with so many DeFi platforms around, you can always look at sites like DeFi Rate, where you can view the best interest rates around currently or over a 30-day average. And as you can see here, Aave currently have one of the best rates for DAI, with Compound as low as 0.74%, whereas Aave is at 3.83%. So this is what we're going to look at lending now. So if we head back to Aave and click onto the Aave market, then in here you'll be prompted to connect your wallet. And the options available are browser wallets such as the likes of a MetaMask. You can connect up your Ledger device, but just make sure that you have contract data and your browser support enabled. You can also connect up your Coinbase wallet, which is different from the exchange. Plus, you can use Wallet Connect or Formatic, which is a more centralized solution using your phone number. Now for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you using MetaMask. And that's actually connected to my Trezor at the moment. So in this way, I can show you the gas fees that you'll need to pay. So when you're depositing funds, you'll obviously need the asset to deposit, but you'll also need Ethereum in your wallet to pay for the gas fees. And once your wallet is connected, you'll want to head down to Deposit on the left-hand side. Then you'll be able to view all the assets that you hold within the wallet that you've connected, and it will show you your balance here as well. Then underneath all of that, it will show you all the different types of assets where you don't have a balance. So it provides you with information such as the asset, your wallet balance, your balance in Aave if you've deposited any, and it shows you the current APY too. So as I said, I'm going to be looking to lending DAI today. So if I click onto Deposit, then over on the right-hand side here, it provides me with a bit of information with regards to DAI. So it tells me the utilisation rate, which is at 64.16%. it shows me the available liquidity, it tells me the current asset price, and it provides me with my deposit APY, which is at 3.92%. Now, not all assets can be used as collateral, so it'll state here whether it can be used, and that's for borrowing. It'll tell you your maximum loan-to-value amount, the liquidation threshold, liquidation penalty, and any historical rates in a graph chart here. Then in here, you need to put in the amount that you'd like to deposit. So you can either manually type this in, or you can state a percentage of your wallet. So I've chosen 100% here, and I'm going to click on to continue. Then you're provided with your transaction details. And the first thing you need to do is approve, and that's approving Aave's access to your chosen asset. So you can click on to submit. And at this point, you'll have to pay a gas fee. Now, ETH prices are a little high at the moment, so you could always edit the gas by checking over on ETH gas station. Where, as you can see at the moment, if I spend 45 gwei, that will be fast and under 2 minutes. 40 gwei will be under 5 minutes, and 32 will be around 30. So I'm going to edit my transaction fee, go to Advanced, and put in 40, and then click on to Save. Now I'm going to confirm. Now, where this differs a little bit from compound finance is the fact that you can also submit your deposit too at the same time without having to wait for the first transaction to clear. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. And again, I could change the gas fee if I wish. Now, as I said previously, the gas fees are particularly high at the moment, and these may not seem like huge amounts to begin with, but they do certainly add up, especially as there are these 2 different fees that you have to include. And whilst those go through, you can also view these transactions, which will show you your current status, and it will show you the value. So as you can see, to approve, it's cost me 47 cents. And those transactions have now been confirmed, and that just took about 2 minutes. And your deposited funds will then be supplied to the lending pool, and you can monitor your accrued interest in real time in the Aave app dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead to my dashboard. So at the moment, we're under our deposits, and we can view our aggregated balance, which you can see going up every few seconds. It then tells me my assets, it shows me my current balance, the APY percentage, whether or not it can be used as collateral. Now, if you wanted to deposit, you can deposit further DAI into this, or you can choose to withdraw. And withdrawing can be done at any time, and it's really simple to do. You just need to enter in the amount that you'd like to withdraw, or put in the maximum, and then simply click on to continue and confirm the transaction. And if you're interested in borrowing, you'll need some assets that you can use as collateral. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and choose the asset that we'd like to borrow. And in this example, I'm going to choose Maker. And then again, it's going to show you an overview of that asset. So it shows you the utilization rate, the available liquidity. It tells you my asset price. Then you have 2 options here, as Aave offers variable and stable rates to any prospective borrowers. So the variable rate is quite interchangeable and can vary a lot in different market conditions. And this can potentially be a bit scary if you are borrowing. Therefore, by providing stable rates, borrowers can have a lower perceived risk and peace of mind that their interest rate will not radically change throughout the duration of their loan. And you can choose to change between the 2 different types of APRs when you wish. So you then type in the amount that you'd like to borrow. Or again, you can select the icons at the bottom. And it'll then show you your risk along this bar. And there are liquidation clauses, so please ensure that you never overborrow. But if you'd like to continue with this, you can click on to continue. And then you'll be prompted to choose your interest rate. So from here, you can select the desired rate type. Now I'm just going to select variable for the moment. And as you can see here, it states that this is based on the supply and demand of the reserve, and it's recalculated every second. It benefits you when there is less demand for the asset you're borrowing. If you want to go ahead, you can click on to continue again. And you'll then be provided with some transaction details, which you can go ahead and submit if you wish. Flash loans are an advanced concept aimed at developers. Therefore, you must have a good understanding of Ethereum programming and smart contracts to take advantage of them. And flash loans have quickly become one of the main selling points of Aave, namely due to the fact that they require zero collateral to use. Instead of guaranteeing repayment with collateral, flash loans simply rely on the timing of the loan's repayment. As long as the loan is used and repaid in full within the same block it was issued, it's approved. On the other hand, if the loan is not paid back within the same block, the entire transaction fails. And Aave charges a 0.30% on flash loans. And flash loans open the doors for safe and secure arbitrage opportunities at virtually no cost to the user. So that was a very brief overview of Aave. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.